students of Chettinad Vidyashram, Chennai. Today we are doing a project under the topic Samudbal. Our project name is Windpowerwater Purifier. It is totally powered by wind energy.
The water is purified in various stages. In the first stage, the water is processed into the rock filtration, where all the insoluble materials in the water can be removed, and then it passes into the pre-carbon filter, where all the chlorine present in the water can also be removed, and then it passes into the ultra filtration, where all the material size till 0.001 microns can also be removed, and then it passes into the RO, where all the soluble materials present in the water can also be removed, such as salt and bacteria. And last but not least, UV filtration, where all the DNAs of the harmful microorganisms can be removed and it cannot germinate again, and we finally get the purified water.